This channel is making $45,000 per month, and this one making $8,000, and this one $5,500 every month, without showing his face, and without making videos on YouTube in this same mysterious cash cow niche. Watch the complete video for the secret niche. This is the best way to make money online as a complete beginner in 2023 with cash cow channels, and the best part is you don't need any fancy camera equipment or expensive setup to get started. All you need is an internet connection and either a laptop or smartphone to begin your journey. The super niche we're talking about is called MMA. It is a rapidly growing sport, and there is a large and engaged audience for content related to it. And there is always new fights coming up, so you will never run out of content. This means that there is plenty of potential for your channel to gain traction and grow in popularity over time. But before I reveal you the example channel, make sure to like this video and subscribe only if you got any value from this video for more cash cow and YouTube automation content. Also, from the monetization aspect, there are several ways you can monetize this content, such as through sponsorships, merchandise sales, affiliate marketing, and the main AdSense revenue. I've come across 3 anonymous channels that seem to be exploiting the MMA niche for financial gain, and there are likely more out there. The first channel boasts 400,000 subscribers and has accumulated over 190 million views through videos that feature basic editing and a voiceover. Remarkably, each video racks up thousands, if not millions of views. Social Blade reports that this channel is gaining an average of 11 million views per month, translating to an estimated $45,000 in monthly earnings. It's worth noting that while Social Blade's default CPM ranges from 25 cents to $4, sports channels tend to command higher CPMs, often exceeding the $4 mark, so this channel may actually be earning even more. Another noteworthy channel in this niche is All Things MA, which earns an estimated $8,700 per month with 2 to 3 million monthly views, despite having only 200,000 subscribers. The channel has already amassed over 90 million views, demonstrating its success. Overall, these channels demonstrate the lucrative potential of the M&A niche. Whether you have a passion for M&A or are looking to create a profitable YouTube channel, these channels can serve as a great starting point. If you're wondering how to begin creating your own M&A videos, you can model your content after the successful channels mentioned earlier. Stay up to date with the latest M&A news, or identify which videos are currently gaining the most views, and use those topics as inspiration for your own content. To create your script, you can also enlist the help of ChatGPT. Simply request a YouTube script from the bot on your chosen topic and edit it to fit your style. If you have got any value from the video so far, a like and subscribe would be much appreciated. Thank you, my dear subscriber. Additionally, observe how the competition channels are editing their videos, using similar background music, text, and hooks to engage and retain your audience. To maximize your chances of success on YouTube, my top advice is to prioritize consistency and produce high-quality content that people want to watch and share. Creating engaging, informative, entertaining, and visually appealing videos is crucial in attracting and retaining viewers. However, it's important not to give up too soon. I have learned this lesson the hard way, which resulted in lost time and thousands of dollars. Thus, I recommend committing to a consistent upload schedule for at least 3 months, whether it be a weekly or daily upload, to see the best results possible. If you're enjoying my content, I would like to ask you to consider subscribing to my channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos, and you'll be helping me to grow and improve my channel. I'm always striving to create the best content possible, and your support through subscribing would be a huge help. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.